How you doing, brother?
This shit's fucked up, man. Never in my life I'm thinking.
Ah! Ah! What's going on?
A fucking moth, dude, flew in my fucking ear.
Are you serious?
Yes. It's fucked up, dude. I am not fucking joking one bit, dude. I can hear this motherfucker fluttering, dude, in my head.
Syringe. We need a syringe.
Oh, and a straw.
Okay. Flush the ear with tepid water using a container with a directional spout, like a measuring cup or a syringe.
I felt it go boom, and I went to go smack it and fucking. Oh,
a measuring cup or syringe with the needle.
Like he was in that motherfucker.
I need light, Jacob, not video.
Well.
Oh God.
Ah, there it is. It's in there. I see that fucking thing. It's great. No, just get the tweezers.
This shit's fucked up.
I need to, Jacob. I can't get in there.
Okay,
this shit's fucked up.
Oh, hold on. He's got a tick. He's got a tick too.
Well, I can't.
Oh my God, you got a tick in there too.
Oh my God, give me the tweezers.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh.
You do have a tick in there, bro.
Oh my God, where have you been?
Is there a tick in my ear?
Yes.
What the fuck?
This black thing?
Yeah, that's a tick.
Surprise.
Don't move, dude.
I can't really see, you guys. Can you move your hand? Okay.
Oh my God.
Don't move. Here comes the tick.
Get it.
You got some knives?
Okay, we got the tick.
No, it's not. He's still in there.
Oh my God.
We gotta get the moth out while he's moving. You see
Yeah,
him?
grab that damn moth.
Oh my God, I'm gonna throw up.
No, just do it.
You're the esthetician.
You see him?
The
Oh.
esthetician.
Not okay. The one nurse that's got any type of training is.
Don't move.
Can you move the light a little bit?
Towards you?
Yeah.
Bad luck there.
Yeah. You get it?
Part of it.
No, you see his wing?
Oh.
Grab him and gently pull.
Just getting bits and pieces. Do you want to grab him, Angel?
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, nurse. What are you questioning? No.
Never, ever.
We got a torch here, Mike. Maybe we can just burn them out.
Oh.
I can't get him, you guys. What am I going to do?
Go a little deeper. There you go.
We need that.
Oh.
That looks like it might be it.
Pliers?
No, oh, good God, it's in there. Look at that thing.
Oh my God.
He's ready to come out.
You did a good job staying calm, though, Mikey. Really,
There you go.
You really have to
Is that
stay
it?
calm, though,
Oh.
buddy.
No.
Oh, it looks like a spider.
Your ear is gonna be so red on the outside.
Jacob,
I'm
move the
sorry.
light
Oh
towards
God.
me. No. Okay. Yeah, right there.
Wait, anything a little longer, pliers?
Good thing we're not completely wasted right
Right?
now.
Oh, Mike, I know. You picked a good time to have this
No
done.
shit.
We're all going to be walking around with earmuffs now.
Oh.
I'm nervous.
I need longer tweezers. Can I have a napkin or something to wipe this off?
Where you need to get that wax thing you guys use?
Yeah.
That ear candle? Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh no. Oh my God, dude.
Oh my God!
Oh.